How to pin important messages on DM of Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the messenger icon given at the top left. With that, you'll be directed to the messages page. Now head over to the conversation where you want to pin a message. After you launch it, head towards the message that you want to pin. Press and hold on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option pin. With that, the selected message will be pinned to the conversation. At the top of the conversation, you will be able to find that specific message. Likewise, head back. In case you want to pin entire conversation, you can do that as well. Head towards the conversation that you want to pin, press and hold on it. Navigate to the option pin. With that, the conversation will be pinned. Now the pinned conversation will be available at the top of your conversation. This is how you can pin important messages on DM of Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.